So first you see a welcome screen after you open your VS Code for the first time. So you will see an X there, so you can close the file. So it's for you to close the file. To start working on our VS Code, we are going to create a folder. So we're going to go to our file to open a new folder. So you scroll down to the open file. We want to save on our desktop, so you click on the desktop. New folder, click on create new folder. So we're going to name our folder. You can call it any name you want, but we're going to call our folder name project HTML. After that, after naming it project HTML, you click on select folder, then select folder again. Then our folder is there now. Okay, we are inside the HTML folder, so we're going to create a new file. We're going to name it index.html. That's going to be our HTML file. So once you type it in, click on enter, then it will open. You can see that we're inside our HTML document. So what we're going to do is to automatically generate the syntax we need for the HTML. So you're going to just click on the exclamation mark. So the first one that comes up, so you click on it, the single sign, and it will give you this. Then if you choose to create a CSS file, you're going to come to your left hand panel and go to the second icon, click on it. Then we're going to name it CSS, all in lowercase. Click enter. Then go inside the CSS folder, the small arrow, click on it so that we create our file inside the first icon, the new file. Click on it. Then we're going to name it style.css, all in lowercase. So that's how to create a folder and a document inside the folder. So now we're going to link it to our HTML file. So after that, melter, put your cursor and put enter. Then you type in link, the first link that come up, you're going to click on it. Then you see where your cursor is. Between that double quotation right there, you're going to type the name of our folder, CSS, then / style.css. So that's it. Now, if you click on the follow link, you put your cursor over it and click on follow link, it's going to take you to your CSS file, style.css file. That's to show you that the link is correct. We link it correctly. So now, if you want to create a Java file, so what you're going to do is to click on the second icon at your left hand panel. So you're going to do it the same way you do the CSS. So you click on the index to come out of the CSS file. Then put your cursor on the second icon. Then you name it JS and click on enter. After that, you click on the small arrow so that it will go inside. The file will go inside. Click on it, new file. Once you click on it, you're going to name it script.js. Script.js, that's the name of the folder, of the file, I mean. So once we are done creating it, we're going to go back to our index.html. So we're going to link our JS folder inside it. So we're going to go to the closing tag, like above the body closing tag, and you put your cursor there and hit it like enter like 3 or 4 times. So we are going to put some script text here. So you're going to type script, and we're going to, the first one that comes out, you're going to click on it, and you're going to put space there. You need to put space at the first tag, not the closing tag of the script. Type in src, click on enter, then between the quotation mark put JS/script.js. Then you click on the follow link. You see to take you to the JS script.js. That's to show you that it connects correctly. So we're going to go back to our index. Then the next thing we are going to do is to save our file. Go to file, you go down, you see save all, click on save all. So we've saved everything inside the file. Then on your left panel, you can see that we have the HTML index, the script.js, and the style.css, and CSS inside this folder, JS inside this folder. So that's all about this video.